Hey there troopers, Dan here. So another blaster video coming up soon with some updates on the JMC E-11 blaster. But before I do that, I thought I would just mention nearly 90% of people viewing the videos on the channel are currently not subscribed. So if you are enjoying the videos, you're enjoying the content, the updates, the how-tos, etc, please do feel free to drop a like and subscribe. Pop those notifications on and you'll never miss a video. Anyway, over to the update on the blaster build. Hey there folks, quick video update time. I'm going to keep this one very brief as it's only a few updates here on the build as it's going. So you'll see here we've now got the power cylinders. I'll show some photos of these, but these were all, I say all, separate parts. One main part that needed a bit of sanding down underneath. Obviously it's not overly pretty under there, but this will be glued onto the magazine well anyway. But that had basically separate parts going through with separate end caps. So this is not finished, but you know, once you've actually sprayed that up, that would probably be good enough for use anyway. Obviously, as always, you can take these to a higher level. You could replace these central parts here and put some sort of resistors or metal parts in there, but for the purposes of this build I will keep them as is. They're already more detailed than most blasters anyway, so really good start. Magazine I've shown everyone before, but that's still again all ready to go there with the blaster build. There we go, looking good already. The folding stock, this I have now done the mild repair, as everyone knows. It was slightly damaged here from the box, and there's an update there actually from Mark already at Trooper Cooler. So he's going to be now providing the joining part here, which I believe is effectively this anyway, which goes on to the main barrel of the gun. That sort of sits in between. So for shipping, for now, from now onwards, for the new ones when they get launched, this is actually going to be attached in here, which will of course give it that extra strength, so you won't get this sort of breaking issue in the box, which is, you know, really good progress already. So swift action there from Mark. All of these little pins in here, they're actually just plastic tubing, but they were provided with the kit. When I did the unboxing I didn't know what they were for, and then Mark kindly said what they're for. So they're basically to give you the motion in here. Again, apologies, I should get the tripod out. I'm holding this manually, but this actually then operates like the real folding stock. So that part just basically locks into there. Get that in camera, locks into there, and of course then that would fold round to the other end of the gun. So it would sit effectively on the barrel like that, and you then got that fully extended barrel. Actually, it would sit like that. There you go. But again, so for those, if you wanted to actually go all out and make this a functional folding stock, then of course you could. Otherwise, look, you can see there, bearing in mind this is all resin molds, resin casts, sorry, it really works nicely. You know, I've not done a lot of work on that mechanism. I've done some sanding, I've basically made sure the holes were okay, just obviously using different files and things like that to make sure it's okay. Put those simple pins in there, and already it's functioning very much like a real sterling folding stock. Even that, the way that it's molded so nicely, these do actually sit into those little lugs. You can see there in the light, you've got those little dips, and of course this part of the stock just sits in there. It's not flapping around, it really fits in there nicely. So very, very nice. I've done a basic bit of sanding on the mock Henxler counter, as I said in the unboxing video. This is, I literally have just done sanding front and back because it comes as two parts. But again, very nicely detailed in there. Really, really nice. Nice, sharp molds throughout. Obviously then that's the back end of it, which I've got some photos, but you can see that very, very clearly has Henxler 400 molded into it, which is great. And obviously that is again just work in progress. That's coming on nicely for the Henxler counter. The scope came in various parts, so that is actually now gluing. Once this front part is actually nicely glued on, I'll then just do a bit of final sanding on it. And that one is going to be, the originals were a brass material, I believe, so you would do an undercoat of brass, well, a primer, then you would do an undercoat of brass type color, and then you go over the top with black and then just weather it back slightly. So that again is coming on nicely. I think that's pretty much most of it today. As I say, just a short update video on the JMC E-11 blaster build, and that's it for now. If you like, feel free to drop a like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, and I will give you more information in the next one. Till then, see you later. Bye.